Okay guys, today I put on this aftermarket radio on the 04 TSX, but I was receiving no sound. It powered on, but no sound. I used the regular harness from the radio with the harness to the car, but I was having no sound. You can simply get sound by grabbing a wire, exposing the ends, and just jumping it from this point to this point on the front of the harness, as you can see here. I'll show you guys so you can just do it. It's that simple, guys, and you'll receive audio afterwards. Hope this can help.